What's up, guys? We are in the Exumas and we've been doing a little bit of diving. We've caught a lot of fish, but today was kind of a windy day, so we figured we'd film some stuff. We went out to the cut and found a few lobsters and shot a few grouper. And I'm going to show you guys how we pull these apart. The smaller lobsters that we're used to in Florida, you can kind of just break the tail out of. These, just to make sure we get everything, I usually just cut around in a circle here, just to make sure I can get as much meat as possible. And then they just kind of pop out. And what you want to do now is their little poop chute. Yeah, it's right here. It's kind of gross, but let's find a good antenna. But you can get the antenna, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the spines actually go the opposite direction. So you want to put this up its poop chute with the spines going the opposite direction, and then this will actually grab that poop chute and it pulls it right out, and then that comes out just that easy. And now when we get inside, we'll get a butcher knife, and if you have a rubber mallet or a wood hammer, sometimes you can put the butcher knife in here and just tap it a few times and it'll split it open. And when they get this big, sometimes they get a little tougher. So sometimes we'll kind of pull them out and chop them up and maybe deep fry them or cut them up. Or you can cook it whole, but the meat is a little tougher when they get this old. These are big lobsters. These aren't the lobsters in Florida that are about this big, so they're a little more intense. And let me see one of those grouper too, Will. Cut this one up real quick. And these, as big as they are, I think tonight we might even try to cook some of the legs. I mean, these legs are probably big enough to get some meat out of, but I don't know if it's worth the effort. But then you can get that, you can use that same antenna, and you pop it right in there, and you pull it out, and that'll clean that whole poop chute out. And then all you have left is just good meat in these lobster tails.